What is going on, YouTube? It's that time of year again. USACC build number 5. These are always fun, seeing what everybody does. This year, Fred Henry picked the kit. He picked the old 69 Camaro by Revell. You can do this one, or maybe one of these other ones. There's a ton of kits to choose from. They're all going to be very good kits. They're all very similar. So for me, it's more a matter of where I want to go with the build versus which kit I get. Although there is one kit that I've really been wanting to build for a while, from one of my favorite movies. I'm sure you guys can guess. So to the stash I went. Got about 18 different Firebird and Camaro kits, because they're some of my favorite cars. This is just a few of them. There's more out in the garage. And of course I do not have a 69 Camaro, so eBay, here we come. So freshly delivered from the United States Postal Service is our slightly crushed box Fast and Furious 69 Yenko Camaro. Now this one did come completely sealed up, but I did have to open it to inspect it and make sure nothing was damaged after I saw that box. As you can see, unstarted, still sealed up. Skinny little tires that are not going to be used. Right here you can see these wheels. It's got the Yenko style wheels on it. The movie car had Krager SS's, so I believe I've got some of those in the parts box that I'll be using. And our glass. But the real reason I went with this and not one of the other Yenko kits is the decal sheet. I wanted to make sure not only were the decals good, but this one has much more decals than the other Yenko kits. It's got all the Yenko badging, under hood, in the back, everything, gauge decals, all that. So we'll get you a quick look at that one there. So this is why I paid a little bit extra to get this kit versus the other Yenko kits. So at first, when trying to decide what kit I wanted to use, I was having trouble deciding what direction I want to go. Do I want to do more of a kind of stockish look, or do I want it to go like more custom resto mod kind of thing like I normally do? So what I decided was I'm going to do this Fast and Furious Yenko. I will change the wheels on it and maybe wire up the engine, but mostly going to be box stock. Just looking for just a nice, really clean build on this one. And then I'm going to build a second one, and I'm going to do it the custom resto mod style. But that one, I know what I want to do, but I'm going to surprise you guys with that one. So you'll have to stay tuned and look for the reveal on March 15th. So thanks for hanging out with me today. We'll catch you on the next video.